In this quick video, I want to show you how to remove the back cover of any Louis Jelene watch. And they use these back covers, these quartz back covers, on multiple different brands of watches. Usually it's the budget friendly. But your back cover should look something like this. It's fairly simple to easy to remove the cover and then replace the battery. So what you want to do is you want to look for a little gap that's somewhere around the watch. The manufacturer is usually going to put it on the very opposite end of the dial. So I'm going to be looking closely right here if it's a new watch or a newer watch. And if you have bad eyes like me, you can get like a magnifying glass, or preferably you could just use your smartphone and zoom in with your smartphone, and that will be able to give you a good look to see where that little groove is. So as you can see here, it should be right there. I don't know how well you can see, but it's going to look different from the other 360 part of the circle. As you can see there, there's a little gap there. And the only thing you need to do is get a butter knife or a precision screwdriver, or a credit card. But you do need something with a little bit of girth. So I have this precision flathead screwdriver. I want to take it and push it in, and then I want to twist my flathead screwdriver. And you see it popped out. So that's going to expose the battery. As you can see, it's right there. Now, to replace the battery on this watch, you can read the model number on the battery itself, and then just plug it into Amazon. But you'll find that 9 times out of 10, it's this particular model, which is the SR90SW, or the one without the S, the SR90W. And I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get these batteries very, very cheaply. And then to remove the battery, it's very simple. You just use your flathead or your butter knife, and there's like a little gap right here. And you just pop open like that, and then get your new battery. And you want to make sure that the label with the writing is facing you up. And it should just pop in there. And as I'm doing this, make sure you put in the comment section, yeah, you just have to pry it in like that. So there's like a little metal hook, so push it into the hook. So put in the comment section what brand of watch you have with the Louis Jelene quartz. To put it back on, fortunately these covers are very, very easy to pop back on. You just push it and you'll hear a snap. And preferably you want to make sure your groove right there is on the opposite side of the dial, like we did before, like it was before. And you should hear like a little snap like that. All right. This particular watch is a LOUIE, but tell me in the comment section what brand that you have. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.